My name's Bob Booth and I run IBM's consulting business in Europe. I spend the majority of my time, however, helping clients with transformation of their procurement functions, whether that be organization or technology or the capabilities such as analytics. IBM are and I am extremely excited to be involved in Digital Procurement World. I think it's going to be a different kind of conference with some really interesting content and some extremely senior attendees. We're particularly excited, and I'm particularly excited to be involved in the sponsorship of the Hackathon. As we started to think about what we could do in the Hackathon, which is an agile way of working with mixed teams of corporates, startups, developers and students. We wanted to try and take on some of those topics that always have been in procurement but have felt too difficult to challenge and solve. And so we defined a couple of challenges, 2 challenges for 4 teams. And these challenges are intended to be a framework, some options, a starting point, so not the definitive answer. The first thing we thought would be, can we find a way to change what is measured within procurement? Measure different things in different ways. Historically, we've measured savings, we've measured risk, we've measured coverage, we've measured compliance, all those things, and those things are important. But what are some of the measures and how might we go about it? Whether it be societal, economic measures or social measures such as environmental impact. So that's one of the topics. And an example of what we might decide to measure might be, for example, the change impact of our procurement transformation program. That was set as an example topic. The next of our challenges is, given the complexities of and the effort we put into as procurement professionals in striking new deals with suppliers, the complexities and subtlety in particular of services, we don't always feel that's very easily catered with by the enterprise system, the ERP systems, the Ariba or the like, that we're trying to actually therefore transacting afterwards. So we wanted to see whether there's another way of sourcing, contracting and buying from and receiving those services. So is there some other way we can do another thing we can do to unlock some of the benefits, right? An example was maybe dealing with the knotty topic of buying services. So those two challenges are intended to provide a couple of examples of what teams can submit. What we'd like is suggestions from colleagues, whether they be corporate colleagues or students or startups, of some of the challenges they'd like to face. What are you facing in your business? And we're interested in attendees who may be in category functions or in GBS payables functions or in transformation functions. So give us some ideas what you'd like to go after. We will then shortlist and collect those together into teams and form 4 teams that will take part in the hackathon, and that hackathon will run over the duration of the conference. At the end of it, we will then have the teams play back their ideas and results, and we will vote for the most appropriate winner, and those winners will receive a decent prize. So looking forward to seeing the ideas that are submitted around the themes. Looking forward to selecting the relevant teams, and then looking forward to seeing you at the hackathon event in Amsterdam.